Yes, sir.
Okay. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर ये हम शुरू करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 and 6 is on your screen of exercise 3.4. This is exercise 3.3, sorry, 3.3 question number 1. In that sub question 5th and 6th. If we are solving this question number 5th, see, you have to use the method of substitution, right? We can have this root 2x plus root 3y is equals to 0. You can write this as what? If you convert this y in the form of x, it can be written as y is equals to what? Minus root 2x upon 3. Is it clear? This statement is clear. Why? How I have written this? Y is.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बोलो बेटा, क्या बोल रहे हो? रूट 3 होगा यहाँ पे. हाँ, और कुछ? यहाँ पे रूट 3 होगा. ठीक. Any more confusion?
Sir.
Now, second equation is also given what? Also we have given root 3x minus root 8y is equals to 0. So now we can substitute minus root 3 upon minus root 2 upon root 3x at the place of y. So this can be written as what? Root 3x as it is minus root 8 into root 2 x upon root 3 is equals to 0. Is it clear? Now if you simplify this one, इसको यदि आप सिंप्लीफाई करो. हाँ बोलिए.
माइनस रूट 2x.
हाँ माइनस लिख दो. चलो माइनस की गड़बड़ी है वो लिख देता हूँ. और कोई कंफ्यूजन है? माइनस तो लिख देता हूँ मैं. एनी मोर कंफ्यूजन? यहाँ माइनस आएगा. चलो ठीक है. If you simplify this one, then it is what? Root 3x as it is. And if you simplify this one, you will get what? Minus minus plus. And this is 8 to the 16, root 16. Root 16 means what? 4. 4 for the 16. 4x upon root 3. Correct? Is equals to 0. And if you further simplify it, it will be what? Root 3 into 3. It is 3x plus 4x upon root 3 is equals to 0. That means 7x is equals to root 3 into 0 is 0. And therefore x is equals to 0. And if x is equals to 0, this implies what? This implies y is equals to minus root 3, sorry, minus root 2,
वो भी 0 ही आया.
root 3 into x. Therefore y is also 0. 0 आ रहा है वो तो मैंने पहले ही बताया था कि दोनों की वैल्यू 0 ही आएगी, लेकिन आप लोग का सॉल्व क्यों नहीं हो रहा था मुझे पता नहीं चला. इज इट क्लियर नाउ? Okay, if we solve this question number 6, इसको ऐसे कर देता हूँ मैं. Now moving to the question number 6. If you simplify this equation, 3x upon 2 minus 2y upon 3 equals to minus 2. If you take the LCM of these 2 and 3, it will be 6. So this is what? 3 3s are 9x minus 5 2s are 10y is equals to what? 6 2s are 12 minus 12. Correct? This is equation number 1. And the second equation will be simplified as 2x plus 3y is equals to 13. नीचे 6 6 cancel हो जाएगा. The LCM is 6 and here also there is 6. If you take this 6 this side, it will come in multiplication and there is 6 in the division. So that this 6 6 cancel out. Therefore the equation will be 9x minus 10y is equals to minus 12 and 2x plus 3y is equals to 13. This much is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now as you want to solve by substitution method, you can substitute the value of x or the value of y. If you want to convert this first equation, Suppose I have converted in this 1 second, तो second को मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? If you want to find the value of y, तो y is nothing but it is 13 minus 2x upon 3. This is equation number third. Now substitute the value of third in first. Substitute value of third in first. Therefore, it will be 9x as it is minus 10 into y. 10 into 13 minus 2x upon 3 is equals to minus 12. And if you further simplify it, it will be 9 3s are 27x minus 13 10s are 130 and minus minus plus 10 2s are 20x is equals to, if you take this 3 to other side, it will be 12 3s are 36 minus 36. Is it clear? Or any confusion is there in this statement? Student, is it clear? Now, is it clear?
Yes.
27x plus 20x is how much? I think it will be 47x.
Yeah. 47.
Yeah, and minus 36 as it is, and this plus 130. So 47x is equals to how much? 130 minus 36. 130 minus 36, how much?
94.
94. Very good. So 94 तो 47 से divide होगा. So x is nothing but it is 94 divided by 47. I think 47 to the 94 ही होता है. Therefore, the value of x is 2. Now we got the value of x. Therefore, we have the value of y also. Y is nothing but it is 13 minus 2 into x. X is how much? 2 upon 3. It will be 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4 upon 3. 13 minus 4 is how much? 9. 9 minus 3. Sorry, 9 upon 3. 3 3 is a 9. Therefore, y is equals to 3. Is it clear or any confusion is there?
No.
Yes, sir.
Just write it. Then we'll move to the next one. Question number 2. Solve 2x plus 3y is equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equals to minus 24. Hence, find the value of m for which y is equals to mx plus 3. So first of all, we are going to solve these two equation. ये दोनों इक्वेशन को सबसे पहले हम सॉल्व करेंगे. तो सॉल्व हम किस मेथड से करेंगे? सब्स्टिट्यूशन से करेंगे क्योंकि हमने वही सीखा है अभी तक. And then whatever the value is coming, that means the value of x and y, we have to substitute that value in equation y is equals to mx plus 3 so that you are able to find the value of m. Is it clear? तो सबसे पहले इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. तो 2x, just a minute. First equation is 2x plus 3y is equals to 11. तो यहाँ से हम y की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं या फिर x की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. तो you can write y is equals to what? 11 minus 2x upon 3. This is equation number 1. And the second equation is what? 2x minus 4y is equals to minus 24. This is equation number 2. Now substitute the value of y in equation 2, or you can write on solving equation 1 and 2, we have so this is 2x minus 4 into y. Y is nothing but it is 11 minus 2x upon 3 is equals to minus 24. Okay. And if you simplify this one, you will get 2x as it is minus 4 11 ja 11 4 ja 44 11 for the 44 minus 4 to the 8x upon 3 is equals to minus 24. So this will be 3 to the 6x minus 44 plus 8x is equals to, if you take this 3 to the other side, it will be 24 3 is minus 24 into 3. Now 6 plus 8, 8 plus 6 is how much? 14. Huh? So 14x is equals to 24 3 is 4 3 is 12, 1 carry, 3 to the 617, it is minus 72 and plus 44. I have taken this 44 minus 44 to this side. It will be what? 14x is equals to 72 minus 44 is how much? 12 minus 4 is 8. And here it is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. Minus 28. And therefore x is nothing but it is 14 to the 28. No? Minus 2. The value of x is minus 2. Now you can find the value of y also on substituting this one. Therefore y is nothing but it is 11 minus 2 into the value of x is minus 2 upon 3. It will be 11 plus 4 upon 3. It is 15 upon 3 and that is equals to 5. Therefore the value of y is 5. Now we have value of x and y and we are supposed to find the value of m in the equation y is equals to mx plus 3. Therefore y is equals to mx plus 3 is given, and now we have the value of x and y. To substitute the value here, the value of y is 5 is equals to m, and the value of x is minus 2 plus 3. It will be minus 2m is equals to 5 minus 3 is 2, and therefore m is nothing but it is minus 1. Is it clear to everyone or any confusion is there?
Clear, sir.
लिख लो इसको
Clear, sir.
Okay, write it. Okay, now start question number 3. Form the pair of linear equation for the following problems and find their solution by substitution method. We are going to solve this first one first, then we will move to the question number 2 and 3. तो ये second, third का first. The difference of two number is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. So there are two numbers. Let the numbers be x and y respectively, and x is greater than y. I have taken x is greater than y. If you want to take y is greater than x, it's your choice. You can choose. So I have taken x is greater than y. So from the question we have first equation is what? Difference. So x minus y. X minus y is equals to what? Difference is how much? 26. Now equation number 1. X minus y is equals to 26, and it is also given that one number is 3 times other. तो जो बड़ा होगा वही दूसरे का 3 टाइम होगा. That means x is equals to 3y. This is equation number 2. These two equations are clear to everyone or any confusion is there?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you can substitute the value of second equation in the first one. So substituting the value of 2 in first we have, or you can write from first and second we have. From first and second we have what? X is x, but y is 3y. Sorry, x is 3y. Sorry. Just a minute. Control. We have x की जगह पे 3y हो जाएगा. It will be 3y minus y is equals to 26. 2y is equals to 26, and therefore y is equals to 13. Now we have the second number as 13, and therefore x is equals to what? 3 into 13. Third 3 time है ना यार? 3 into 13. 13 3 is 39. Therefore the numbers are 13 and 39. 13 and 39 respectively. Any confusion? Any confusion? ठीक है, तो just copy it, then we'll move to the next one. Complete. Question number 1 is completed. Now move to the question number 2. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. So what do you mean by supplementary angles? Yes, anyone? What do you mean by supplementary angles?
Some 180.
Yeah, sum of two angles will be 180. Very good. So here it is given that larger of two supplementary angle exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. जो बड़ा वाला एंगल है दोनों में से वो छोटे वाले से 18 ज्यादा है. तो let the two angles be x and y. We can suppose the two angles. Let the angles be x and y respectively. या फिर x डिग्री एंड y डिग्री लिख सकते हो. तो it is given that from the question we have जो बड़ा वाला है यहाँ पे और एज्यूम कर लो कि x जो है बड़ा है, x इज ग्रेटर देन y. तो जो x है वो छोटे वाले से कितना ज्यादा है? 18. y plus 18. दिस इज फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. And we know that sum of these two angles will be 180 as it is supplementary angle. Also we have x plus y is equals to 180. This is equation number 2. Now on solving this first and second, we can find the value of x and y. Therefore from first and second we have x की जगह पे रख देंगे y plus 18 plus y is equals to what? 180. y जी बोलिए, आपकी आवाज प्रॉपर नहीं आ रही है, बोलिए.
y equals to x minus 18 ले सकते हैं.
क्या बोल रहे हो? फिर से बोलिए, आवाज.
Sir, y equals to x minus 18.
हाँ ले सकते हो, वो भी ले सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. इफ यू वांट टू टेक y is equals to x minus 18, it's okay, no problem, you can take that one also. So the y is equals to what? 180 minus 18 is how much? 0 minus 8 is 2, and here 7 minus 1 is 6, it is 162. Therefore 162 divided by 2. First वाला कहाँ चला गया? 162 divided by 2, right? 162 divided by 2 is how much?
81.
Yeah, 81. Therefore the second angle y is 81 degree, and therefore x is how much? 180 minus 81. 180 minus 81 how much? कितना होगा? 99 कि 89? बोलो. एटी 89 होगा कि 99 होगा? स्टूडेंट्स, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir.
The angles are 81 degree and 99 degree.
सर 99 होगा.
हाँ वो तो मुझे पता ही है. 99 आपको पूछ रहा हूँ, बता ही नहीं, इतना टाइम लगता है कैलकुलेट करने में. ठीक है. So this is all for today's class. we'll solve this question number 3 is homework, you can solve by yourself. यहाँ पे जो ये सिंबल लगा है ना, ये रुपीस का सिंबल है, डोंट बी कंफ्यूज इन दिस वन, दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ रुपीस. If you take the cost of one bat is x and cost of one ball is y, the first equation will be what? 7x plus 6y equals to 3800, and the second equation will be 3x plus 5y is equals to 1750, and then solve it by the method of substitution and find the value of x and y. So question number 3 is homework. We'll move to the next question in the next class. इसके बाद जो क्वेश्चन होगा वो हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में करेंगे.